Hello friends, this is Aarti Karmuke, Assistant Professor in Civil Engineering Department at Tulsiramji Gaikwad Patel College of Engineering and Technology, Nagpur, accredited with NAC A+ grade. So, I welcome you in my next lecture of pavement analysis and design. So basically in this lecture we are going to deal with the numerical which is based on the Benkelman beam deflection test. So let's start. So this is our problem which state that the Benkelman beam test of an overlay design following values was recorded. That is, these are the values which was recorded. The temperature during test was 31.5 degrees Celsius. So we have to calculate the flexible overlay for the design of traffic volume 2670 CVD. So basically we have to find out the thickness of the overlay. So basically we have to calculate the thickness of overlay. So basically the formula for thickness of overlay is equal to H naught divided by layer equivalent factor. Okay, so first we have to find out H naught. So let's start with the formulas. Okay, so very first step is we have to know about the mean value of deflection at endpoint. Okay, so it is denoted by d bar. So that means d bar is equal to, formula is given, that is summation of d divided by n. Okay, so how to calculate summation of d? So here are the values which was recorded. So we have to these are the values. So summation of all values. So we will get the summation of all value deflection. We will get that it is equal to 20.89. Okay, mm. These values are in mm. Okay. So D, which is equal to 20.89 divided by n. So how many values we are recorded? That is 13. So n is nothing but the 13. So we will get the mean value of deflection, that is 1.61 mm. Next we have to find out the second step is we have to find out the standard deviation. Standard deviation of the deflection value. Okay, so formula for it is the standard deviation. We all know that it is denoted by sigma. The formula for sigma is equal to under root of summation of d bar minus d the whole square divided by n minus 1. So we have already calculated d bar and d is already given in the question. So basically this is d square. Okay, so let us find one by one. So d already we have calculated, which is 1.61. So 1.61 minus, okay, d bar, that is 1.61 minus 1.60 the whole square. So the value we will get, that is 0.0001. then next also value we will get 0.001, then 0.0256, then 3.6 into 10 raised to the power minus of 3, then 0.01, then 0.09, then 0.0121, then 0.04, then 0.1156, then 0.0169, then 0.0225. Okay, then next 0.0121, 1 into 10 raised to the power minus 4. So summation of all these values, so we will get d bar minus d the whole square is equal to 0.26. So let us put this value in our formula. So it is under root of, we will get summation of d bar minus d the whole square, we will get 2.26 divided by n, that is 13 minus 1. So sigma we will get 0.147 mm. Okay, now third step. Next we have to find out the characteristic deflection. Characteristic deflection, so it is denoted by dc. Okay, so formula for dc is equal to d bar plus sigma. So we have already calculated d bar, that is 1.61, plus sigma, that is 0.147, which is equal to 1.757 mm. Okay, now the fourth step. Okay, in fourth step we have to calculate the deflection after temperature correction, because temperature correction is given in the question. If the temperature correction is not given in the question, then we will skip this step. Okay, but the temperature correction is given in the question, so we have to calculate deflection after temperature correction. Okay, it is denoted by dct. So formula for dct is equal to dc plus 0.0065 35 minus t. So dc we have already calculated, that is the characteristic deflection, which is equal to 1.757 plus 0.0065 35 minus temperature is given, that is 31.5 degrees Celsius. So dct we will get 1.779 mm. Okay, then the fifth step. In fifth step we have to calculate the deflection as per Winkelmann test, that is H naught. Okay, so as per Winkelmann beam test, so H naught is equal to 550 log of 10 dct divided by dA. Okay, so dA, so for dA where there is two condition for DA. Okay, if DA is 1, if it is given that is CVD, if it is greater than 1500, then we will take DA is equal to 1, otherwise 0.8 for the condition if CVD is greater than 3000. So in our question, therefore in our question DA is given that is 2670 CVD. Okay, that means it is greater than 1500. Okay, therefore DA we will take 1. Therefore H naught is equal to 550 log of 10 DCT, that is the deflection after temperature correction, which is 1.779 divided by DA, that is 1. So H naught we will get 137.5, which is nearly equal to 138 mm. Okay, so last step, that is step number 6. So we have to calculate the thickness of overlay. Okay, which is equal to H naught divided by layer equivalent factor. See, basically layer equivalent factor is given in the question if it is not given. So in that case we have to assume layer equivalent factor is equal to 2.0 if it is not given. If given, then we will take that value. Okay, but in this question layer equivalent factor is not given, so we will assume that the layer equivalent factor is 2. Therefore thickness of overlay is equal to H naught, we will calculate, that is 138 mm divided by equivalent factor which we assume 2, so it is 69 mm. So we will get thickness of overlay is equal to 69. So this is the numerical which is based on the Benkelman beam test deflection. So see you soon in the next lecture. Thank you.